this Perodua Axia. Right. First thing first, the tools that we need will be one 10mm socket and also 12mm one lah. First we need to unscrew is this one over here, the horn, which is the 10 one. Screw first. Let me just prepare the light over here. You can see unscrew already. This one we need to remove to the side. Temporarily put here first, later we need to put it back. Second thing, we need to take out these two screws over here. And also the other one over here. Right. So this side is done for now. Now follow to the next side over here, which we need to do the same thing as well. First one over here need to be loosened. Go over here. And also this one. So this stabilizer bar need to put into the screws, into the screw on both sides. Make sure all the holes in, right? All the holes in, and then put back the screws. So over here one, put back. Over here also. This one will be a bit tricky lah. You need to like underneath it. So we just put it back first, not yet tighten. We need to put back the other side as well. After that only we tighten lah. So just in case during the tightening process the other part didn't come out lah. Right. Just like this. And we'll start from this part first. Okay, front screw and then also the back screw. Right. One side done, the other side. This screw is a bit in. Let me just adjust the camera, see whether you can see it or not. Okay. So this is how you install a stabilizer bar, front stabilizer bar in the Axia. Make sure it doesn't move at all. And then we go for the next part. This side over here, same as well. And at the back here, don't forget, total there's a 4 screw you need to loosen, put the bar on and tighten up lah. Then we need to put back the horn over here. So this is the horn, goes down over here. Let's see, pop. All the placement just go nicely lah. Okay, screw the horn back in over here. This is how you install a front stabilizer bar. This is the finishing product.